Deaths due to heat strokes are not uncommon in India. Starting the month of April, hospitals across several warm states start receiving the emergency cases of patients where they suffer from heat strokes or heat exhaustions. This year is no different, and hospitals in several states and cities are already noticing the incoming patients. What is heat stroke and how to prevent it? Let's discuss this hot topic with me, Himani Chandna, news editor at cnnnews18.com. Heat stroke is a potentially life-threatening condition where the body's internal temperature rises above dangerous levels, which is above 40 degrees Celsius or above 104 degrees Fahrenheit. What are the classic symptoms of recognizing that you are having a heat stroke? You can have a very high temperature, hot and dry skin, dizziness, you can sweat profusely, muscle cramps, headache, unconsciousness. These are all the symptoms. If in case you notice, you should immediately seek the medical attention. Typically, hospitals see the cases of heat strokes or heat exhaustion starting in the month of April to June. And in June, when the monsoon season sets in, these cases gradually reduces. Now, who needs to be careful? Elderly, children and pregnant women. These are the three categories which are vulnerable. These people should avoid going outside during the daytime. The other people who are vulnerable are those who have diabetes or hypertension, because these people are on certain medications which are known to reduce the water content in the body, and hence it puts them more in the danger of having dehydration followed by heat stroke. The idea is hydration. Hydration is the key. Make sure that you hydrate yourself in every half an hour. However, the idea is not to hydrate yourself with carbonated drinks or beverages like tea and coffee, which includes caffeine. These beverages or these drinks generally reduce the water content from the body. Instead, one can drink buttermilk, fresh fruit juices, coconut water, among other healthy liquid options. Doctors recommend using umbrella while you are going out to avoid the exposure to direct sunlight. Extreme summers are already on the cards, and we advise you to take care of your health. Thank you for watching the video.